Welcome back to another home tour. We're out in Collinsville today. Unique opportunity for you. You can see we have a manufactured home behind me, but look at all of this land. We're on 2.89 acres, so almost 3 acres. But here's the cool thing. We are basically in the middle of Collinsville, but you'd never know it. So you're close to your day-to-day necessities, but you're also only like 10 minutes from Owasso, which has everything that you need, and you're probably about 30 minutes from Tulsa. So great location, but what's cool about this is this manufactured home, which we're gonna check out in this video, is only about 2 to 3 years old, and you could live in it while you build your dream home, which is what I'm gonna tell you in this video. I think that's the perfect buyer for this property because there is absolutely no restrictions on this property. You can do whatever you want. So without further ado, let's get this tour going. Obviously, very private. We have trees all the way around, which is pretty fantastic. We're having a broker's open today. This is my friend Shelby's listing. And the manufactured home itself is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Like I said, built in 2023. It's 1,200 square feet. And it is move-in ready. So you could live there while you build your dream home. Like I said, we do have a little creek running through there, which is pretty great. No complaints, really. I think it's pretty fantastic. There's a lot of people inside, obviously, broker's open, but I'm gonna show you all the rooms as best I can. They do have a nice front porch here. Jeremiah Lindsay's working hard over there. Okay. I'll wipe my feet off a little bit. It's kind of wet. Ooh. Okay, living room right here. Nice space. You got a lot of built-ins too. So we've got this. We have nice built-ins around the TV. Also like the beams up there.
Yes. And then
we have a laundry room. They're having technical issues over here.
No, we fixed it. It's fixed.
Oh, I ordered my.
I just stepped on your foot.
I ordered a really cool case that actually holds better than the one that we got. Better.
For the DJI?
Yes.
Yeah. Interesting. You're in it already. It's fine. So, I do like, I didn't even notice the stainless steel sink. That's so nice. I wonder if that was like a standard option or they've put that in. I don't know. Okay, they have a nice coffee station over here behind Shauna. And check out, this is a really good size main bedroom here. And it's just really big. It's kind of bulky furniture, but closet space over here. It's got a nice tub, double vanities. I like the gray and white. It's nice and modern. Modern farmhouse with the decor. And then on the other side, we've got a couple bedrooms. And I believe a bathroom, if I remember correctly.
I just need 4 months. I was like, okay, here you go. He was like,
so here's one of them.
I was like, no, I want to buy you. He was like, okay, here you go. And so
not bad. Okay. And then over here is the other bedroom. Not bad, not bad. And then in between the 2 bedrooms, we've got another full bath right here. So it's not bad. Great colors. If you're curious about the financing, hey, Jeremiah, you want to talk about that?
Yes.
Mobile home financing? Because a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, can you actually do that?
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
You got, this is a newer manufactured home. It was, I think, 2023.
2023.
So you could even do USDA financing on this. I don't know if you knew that, right?
I didn't actually know that.
So USDA, wow. VA, conventional, FHA, all of them.
Well, and this one should be easier to finance because it's newer. I'm sure they have all the stickers and the plates and all that good stuff.
Yep.
So yeah, little known fact. Some people think you can't get a regular home loan on a mobile, but you actually can.
Depending on the loan program, you could do as little as 0% down. We even FHA has a down payment assistance for manufacturing.
Wow.
So there's programs.
So
for that
did you
as well.
hear that? You can do 0 down. We'll get connected. We'll get you connected with Jeremiah. You could buy this, live in the mobile home, like I said, and build your dream home too.
Yep.
At the same time, because there's no restrictions.
There you go.
Cool. Thank you. Appreciate it. So let me know what you think in the comments about this house. Obviously, like and subscribe for more home tours like this. And if I can ever be of assistance, reach out to me. Be happy to help you. And like I said, if you are interested in this and zero down financing, we can make that happen with Jeremiah Lindsay here with Flat Branch Home Loans. So have a great day. Go watch some other home tours. I just posted a bunch of three videos with 10 houses total from the Parade of Homes. If you're interested in a bunch of luxury houses from like 500,000 to 3 million, a lot of great stuff to see there. So anyway, hopefully you have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.